Hey guys, it's Lindsay here at Indy Ridge. So this is my rather old pair of Crow motorcycle boots. They are, I would say, like a year and a half old at this point, and I have put them through the ringer. I have worn these a lot. I have worn them riding in dirt, in snow with salt. I have worn them to events with Steve and been on my feet for 12 hours, ridden them in rain, sun, all sorts of different conditions. So they have taken quite the beating over the last year and change, but I wanted to show you how Steve recommends cleaning and conditioning. So he likes to have it done with a wet rag, like a microfiber cloth or a shop cloth, clean with pure water, and really get in there and clean them out and get the dirt off, and then go in with leather CPR. It's very affordable. This big bottle costs like, I don't know, 15 or 20 bucks, and it's lasted me well over a year. And the reason he likes this is because it will condition them without darkening or deepening the color. Now, if you want to use an oil, you can. Please note that it will alter the color and make them darker and deeper in color. This is what we recommend. And the other product we recommend if you want an oil is Obanoff's. As you can see, they're not a brand new pair of boots. I have worn them a lot, but I have also conditioned them and cleaned them. And we always recommend that you condition your leather. It will keep it lasting longer if you condition it. It will keep them in better condition. It will keep them looking better. Leather needs conditioner. Clean and condition your boots, folks. Hopefully you enjoyed this little video.